Hey guys, Brennan here, and today I'm showing you a course that took my digital painting from this to this in just 45 minutes. In today's video, we're looking at digital painting from sketch to finished product by Hardy Fowler. And I'm here to tell you that this is one of the best introductory courses to digital painting and Photoshop I've found so far. So without further ado, let's get into the review. Okay, let's first start by looking at the details of this course. The main focus is learning how to paint a character's face in Photoshop, but you also go over topics such as sketching, inking, painting values, converting those values into skin tones, painting eyes, and final polishing. And these are things you can apply to all types of digital artworks. It goes for 45 minutes. It has around 9 real lessons that go anywhere between 2 minutes and 6 minutes in duration. So I found it really easy to go over the entire thing in one afternoon. And you can find it on 2 platforms, Skillshare and Udemy. Before taking this class, I didn't know where to start when painting faces or doing any digital painting. I didn't have a process that I followed. And this course really gives you a process to follow. It explains step by step how to work from a sketch to a finished product, hence the title of the course. But it really does do this in a clear and simple way. And you get set a class project at the end of the course where you go out there and you paint a character's face from scratch out of your mind. So you're not using reference photos, which is a really cool challenge and is something that tests your artistic skills and pushes you to the next level. It's something that I thoroughly enjoyed, and the first piece of art that I created was something that had way more personality and artistic flair than I've ever created before. But I saw a few areas that I could improve on in this initial attempt, so I came back and created a second piece, which you're watching being created right now. But the best part about taking this course is that it gave me confidence in my own artistic abilities, and it truly excited me for the future opportunities and possibilities that lay in front of me with this newfound knowledge. Thankfully, this course is very easy to understand and grasp. Your teacher Hardy speaks in a very clear voice in a professional manner. You can really tell that he knows his stuff and he communicates that to you in a really clear, concise manner. On top of that, the majority of this course is screen capture, so you're seeing every single brushstroke Photoshop function that he takes when creating his own artwork, so you can therefore apply it to your own and understand what he's doing when he's doing it. And he explains each function that he uses in Photoshop. I came away from this course learning a lot of new Photoshop functions that have been a game changer in my art so far. So overall, it's a very easy course to understand. Look, this is an introductory course, so you get tastes of various different topics such as sketching, inking, adding values to a painting, converting those values into skin tones, painting eyes. That being said, you only get a surface level explanation of them, but you do get all the information you need to create a really cool painting of a face. So the course isn't overly detailed, but I feel it has the perfect amount of information for an introductory course like this one. You're able to access this course by 2 key platforms, Skillshare and Udemy. So the cost of this course really depends on the platform that you choose to view it on. Skillshare is a subscription-based service which gives you access to not only this course, but also thousands of other courses ranging from digital art to interior design to a whole myriad of topics. And this is all for around $20 Australian per month. The only downside here is you do not own the course, and if you stop your subscription, you don't have access to the course anymore. If you do want to have permanent access, then Udemy is the site for you. The original price on Udemy is around about $30, but the actual price you're probably going to pay is anywhere from $10 to $15, depending on the sales that Udemy has running at the time. So considering the value you get out of the course compared to the costs of each of those 2 platforms, I think it's definitely worth the price. As I mentioned before, the majority of this course is presented via a screen capture method. There are also a few lecture slides included in there that are very clear and easy to understand and add a lot of value to this course. But for a digital art course, screen capture is the best method. It's clean and simple, not overly stylized, and delivered in a professional manner. The only thing I will say is that some of the screen is cropped out in the screen capture, so you can't necessarily see some things like opacity of the brush or flow of the brush, but Hardy does a really good job in telling you what those settings are as he's doing it. So whilst usually this would be a major downside, in this course in particular, it's not much of a worry. So overall, this course is perfect for people new to the digital art world. For me personally, it made me feel way more confident in my artistic ability and made me very excited for the possibilities that lay ahead with my newfound knowledge. So if you're beginning your journey into the digital art world, this is a course that I would highly recommend. And links to find it will be included in the description down below. If you want to learn more, you can head over to our website or check out our channel for other reviews. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.